Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're still manually typing receipts into a spreadsheet, please, it is 2025, you have options. That's right. Today we're throwing down two bookkeeping heavyweights in the ring. The sleek new AI called Docyt versus the established veteran AutoEntry. Let's see who comes out on top. First, the call function. Both apps snap a picture of your receipt or bill and extract the data, but how they do it is the key. You see, the brain is all about AI's next generation AI that has real-time learning, while AutoEntry uses advanced OCR, which is very accurate. When we look at their automation, AI has full workflow, categorizes and posts, while AutoEntry has data extraction, you review and post it. When you look at the vibe, AI has the vibe of set it and forget about it, while AutoEntry is super reliable. Lastly, who are they best for? AI is best for time-strapped business owners, while AutoEntry is best for accountants and bookkeepers. So Doct is like your smart assistant that learns your business and does the entire job, while AutoEntry is your incredible, accurate data clerk who gives you the information to finish the task yourself. Exactly. So if you want a truly hands-off, AI-powered experience that saves you time, Doct is a champion. But if you need pinpoint accuracy and prefer to be in control, auto-entry is still a rock-solid, powerful choice. So which one wins? Honestly, you do. It depends on whether you value total automation or total control. So try both of them and see which one fits your flow. Smash the like button if this was helpful and subscribe for more financial tech showdowns. Do not forget to stay smart with your money. See you in the next one.